Hi guys, this is Marcela. I really hope you are well. Today's video it's a little bit different. I'm going to show you some of our best hairstyles using a bun maker. I hope you enjoyed this video and love these hairstyles as much as I do. And remember guys, if you wanna see a more detailed and step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to leave you the links in the description box down below. Okay guys, for the first option, we're going to do a diagonal division like this, and we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to hold the remaining hair into a ponytail. In here, we're going to comb the hair very well, and we're going to hold it using an elastic. We're going to twist the remaining hair and join it to the ponytail. On the other side, split the hair in half, and we're going to do a Dutch braid crossing the outside strands under the middle one. We're going to do this with each one of the sections, and we're going to join the braids to the ponytail. Now for the next step, we're going to pass the hair through the loop of the bun maker. We're going to cover it with the hair very well and hold it with an elastic. Now we're going to wrap the remaining hair around the bun, hold it with bobby pins, and to finish I'm going to decorate the hairstyle with some diamond teeth. And this is the result, it's beautiful. Option 2. With this option we're going to pass the hair through the middle of the bun maker. Now we're going to hold it with some bobby pins, and we're going to cover the bun maker with the hair. Now we're going to pick up some strands of hair from the center, hold it in here, and we're going to pass to the other side a strand of hair. We're going to pick up 3 strands, and we're going to start doing a French braid crossing the outside strands over the middle one. As you can see, we're going to add hair just from the top every time, and we're going to keep doing the same thing all around the bun maker. When we finish the braid, we're going to hide it underneath the donut bun and hold it with bobby pins. Now we can let down this section of hair and we're done. Option 3. In here we're going to hold the bun maker. Now cover it with the hair, and we're going to pick up some strands of hair from the middle as well. Hold the hair in here, and now hold everything with an elastic. We're going to wrap the remaining hair around the bun maker and hold it with bobby pins. With the middle section, we're going to do 7 little ponytails, and we're going to hold them around the bun with bobby pins. Now we're going to split each one of the little ponytails in half, and we're going to join one strand from each, hold it with an elastic, and hold it in place with bobby pins as well. We're going to do this until we cover all the bun. When we are ready, we're going to take off the bobby pins and wrap the remaining hair around the bun. We're going to hold the bottom elastics using some bobby pins as well, and this is the final result. For the next option, we're going to take a bunch of hair from the ponytail. We're going to split it into 2 pieces. One is thicker than the other one. I'm going to hold the thicker one with an elastic. Now place the bun maker in place and hold it with bobby pins. Take the small strand, take another one from the top, and in here we're going to do a fishtail braid. As you can see, I'm adding hair just from the top. We're going to do this every time, and we're going to add some volume to the braid as well, just from the bottom. We're going to keep doing the same thing until we cover all the bun maker. When we finish, we're going to hide the remaining hair underneath the bun, and hold it with bobby pins. With this section, we're going to do a regular braid and pull it a little bit just from one side. Now we're going to roll it up. We're going to give it a shape of a flower and hold it with bobby pins. To finish, I'm going to use a little accessory, and this is the final result. For the next option, we will need a ribbon. We're going to pass it through the elastic band, and we're going to pass all the hair through the loop of the bun maker. Now cover the bun maker with the hair, and we're going to pick up some of the strands from the middle. Hold the hair in here, and now hold the remaining hair around the bun maker using an elastic band. With the middle section, we're going to split the hair in half, and with each one of the strands, we're going to do a 4-strand braid, and one of the strands will be the ribbon. When we have both of the braids, we're going to pin them in place so the braids will have a heart shape. Now we're going to wrap around the remaining hair and hold it with bobby pins. And this is the result, so pretty. And look, my girl was so little in here. For the next option, we're going to split the hair from ear to ear. And now we're going to split the front section into 5 equal pieces. With each one of the sections, we're going to do a Dutch braid, and we're going to join them to the ponytail. In here, I'm showing you I'm doing the braid and I'm adding hair from both of the sides. We're going to add the hair in very tiny and small pieces. We're going to keep doing the same until we reach the ponytail and hold the braid with an elastic. Now take a small piece of hair from the ponytail, place the bun maker in place, and we're going to do a 3-strand braid in here. So we're going to cross the outside strands over the middle one, and we're going to add hair from the top every time. We're going to keep doing the same thing until we cover all the bun maker. I'm using a bun maker that I did at home. Let me know in the comments down below if you want me to show you in a video how to do it. When you finish, we're going to hide the braid underneath the bun and hold it with bobby pins. For the next option, we're going to pin in place the bun maker. And now we will need a ribbon. We're going to grab a strand of hair, pass it through the middle of the ribbon, and now cross the strand under and over the ribbon. Add a small piece of hair to the braid and cross it under and over. Now bring it back, under, over, add a tiny piece of hair, cross it under and over the ribbon. I'm going to hold the hair with a bobby pin in here, and again cross the strand under, over, add a tiny piece of hair, cross it under and over. We're going to push the hair up, again cross the strand under and over, add a small piece of hair and cross it under and over the ribbon. We're going to keep doing the same steps over and over again until we add the remaining hair. When we finish, we're going to do a bow with the remaining ribbon, and we're going to hide the end of the hair underneath the bun. Hold it with bobby pins and we're done. Okay guys, next option, we're going to pass the hair through the bun maker. Now cover the bun maker very well, hold it with an elastic, and we're going to wrap the remaining hair around the bun, holding it with bobby pins. For this option is too easy, we're going to bring the bun maker almost to the end of the hair and we're going to start rolling it up. We're going to cover the bun maker very well. And when we are ready, we're going to hold the bun with bobby pins. For this option, and this is one of my favorites, we're going to separate a section of hair. Now pass the remaining hair through the loop of the bun maker and hold it with an elastic. We're going to wrap the bun with the hair and hold it with bobby pins. Now grab the other section and we're going to wrap it with an elastic band several times. And when it's pretty high, we're going to pass the hair, but not completely. Now change your hand. And we're going to do the same thing here. In this way, we will have a bow. Now we're going to cover the elastic with this small section. Hold it with a bobby pin, and we're going to hold the bow as well. And for the last option, we're going to do a heart shape. So we're going to pinch the bun maker from the bottom and top, and we're going to hold it with an elastic band on each corner. In here, we're going to pass the hair through the middle of the bun maker. We're going to cover it very well with the hair. And now hold everything in place with a regular band. We're going to wrap the remaining hair around the bun. Hold it with bobby pins. And in here we're going to fix to pull here and there, and we're going to give it a heart shape. And this is the final result. So pretty. Okay guys, there you have some beautiful options that you can do using a bun maker. If you enjoyed this video, leave us a comment down below, and of course leave us a big thumbs up as well to know that you like this video. See you on the next one. Bye!